In a scientific investigation, there are three kinds of variables: independent, dependent, and control variables. The independent variable is the factor that scientists actively change or manipulate during the investigation to study its effect. The dependent variable is the factor that changes with the independent variable. During the investigation, scientists measure or observe how this factor changes. In some investigations, changing the independent variable has a direct effect on the dependent variable. We can think of the independent variable as the cause, while the dependent variable is the effect or the result. Let us look at one example. Suppose we want to study how running speed affects the heart rate of humans. Can you tell which factor is the independent variable and which is the dependent variable? Here, running speed is the factor being studied, and we will manipulate or change this factor during the investigation. Hence, it is the independent variable. We will measure how the heart rate of the runner changes with the running speed during the investigation. Hence, heart rate is the dependent variable. When we plot a graph to show the results, the independent variable should always go on the x-axis and the dependent variable on the y-axis. Control variables are other factors that could affect the dependent variable. To ensure a fair test, there should only be one independent variable in the investigation. All other factors that could affect the outcome should be kept constant. Back to the example. There are a number of factors other than running speed that could affect the runner's heart rate. These include air temperature, slope of the running surface, and emotions of the runner. We should try our best to keep these factors constant in the whole investigation. These are the control variables.